Another day, another story. The power of friendship. Once upon a time in a small village, there were two neighboring families, the Rajans and the Kamars. For generations, these families had held a deep-seated enmity with each other. The reasons for their feud were long forgotten, but their animosity persisted through the years, causing tension and conflicts. One day, a wise and compassionate traveler named Arjun arrived in the village. Upon hearing about the long-standing feud, Arjun decided to intervene and bring about a positive change. He knew that the key to resolving the enmity lay in the power of friendship. Arjun approached the Rajans and the Kamars separately, expressing his desire to reconcile their differences. He spoke of the virtues of friendship, explaining that a strong bond could bridge gaps, heal wounds, and bring happiness to their lives. Both families were initially skeptical, but Arjun's earnestness and wisdom gradually convinced them to give friendship a chance. Arjun arranged a meeting between the Rajans and the Kamars, urging them to let go of their past grievances and start anew. He reminded them of the shared values they held as human beings and the potential they had to create a harmonious community. Slowly, the Rajans and the Kamars began to open their hearts and minds. They started engaging in conversations, sharing stories, and discovering common interests. They realized that they had more similarities than differences, and their animosity began to melt away in the warmth of newfound friendship. As days turned into weeks and weeks into months, the families started supporting each other in times of need. They celebrated festivals together, shared meals, and helped each other with various tasks. The village witnessed the transformation and marveled at the power of friendship that had dissolved the enmity of generations. The once hostile neighbors became pillars of support for each other, promoting harmony and understanding in the village. Their children played together, and the village prospered as unity replaced division. The Rajans and the Kamars became lifelong friends, exemplifying the true meaning of the Quran, that genuine friendship has the power to overcome even the deepest of enmities. The story of the Rajans and the Kamars spread far and wide, inspiring others to seek friendship over hostility. And the village, once marked by discord, became a shining example of the transformative power of friendship, reminding everyone that bonds built on trust, respect, and understanding can heal wounds, bring people together, and create a better world. And so, the village thrived, carrying the legacy of friendship for generations to come. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe.